Hey everyone, welcome back to JCC Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own 3D Chubby character using ChatGPT and then design a thumbnail from it, step by step. Step 1. Get the prompt. First, we need a perfect prompt. Let's go to ChatGPT and type this. Generate a playful 3D cartoon chibi character of a student sitting on a big Tally Prime logo cube. You can modify it according to your project or character idea. And we also use Google Gemini to create some more chibi characters. Step 2. Generate the character. Once you get the prompt, use any image generator AI tool like Leonardo or Canva's Magic Media. Step 3. Design the thumbnail. We use Canva to create our thumbnail. Now, let's use that character to make an eye-catching thumbnail. Add your background, some text, and make sure your layout looks professional. Step 4. Final touch. Adjust brightness, shadows, and highlights. And boom! Your thumbnail is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more creative prompts, use ChatGPT to explore endless ideas. And keep learning with me.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.